Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application. If you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. And right here you need to go to the settings at the right top. At the first line we have user manual, so you need to tap at this line. And it will open this manual on your browser, and you can find information here for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!